Let's be honest, the only thing better than the taste of a perfect crème brûlée is the sound. That crisp, glass-like crack as your spoon breaks through the surface, hunting for the creamy treasure below. Now imagine that sound, but with a dark chocolate crust waiting underneath. That's what we're making today. A chocolate-crusted crème brûlée tart. We start with the foundation, the thing nobody sees but everybody tastes, a rich chocolate pastry dough. But this isn't your typical cold butter crust. We're taking a more decadent path. We gently melt butter and dark chocolate together until smooth and glossy. Then, we let it cool just slightly before pouring it into a bowl with our flour, cocoa, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now here's where we get our hands dirty. We're going to knead it, not like bread, not aggressively, but just enough to bring this gorgeous, dark, fudgy dough together into a ball. It will feel soft, almost like Play-Doh. That's exactly what we want. This method gives us a crust that's less flaky, but infinitely more tender and intensely chocolatey, more like a deep, dark shortbread. We press this beautiful dough directly into our tart pan. No rolling pin needed. Just use your fingers in the flat bottom of a measuring cup to get it even across the base and up the sides. Then, we give it a good chill in the freezer to firm it up. Once it's solid, we blind bake it until it's dry, set, and smells like a brownie. We have to build a strong, waterproof vessel for what's to come. Now, the star of the show, the custard. This is where we pay homage to a dessert that 3 different countries, France, England, and Spain, have all, at some point, tried to claim as their own. It's the ultimate culinary cold case, a delicious mystery that spans centuries. But I think they'd all agree this version's pretty special. We're heating cream with a vanilla bean, infuse every single drop. In a separate bowl, we have egg yolks and sugar. And here's where the science meets the story. We're about to temper. You see, if we just dump hot cream into cold eggs, the proteins in the yolks will seize up, panic, and scramble. We're making a sophisticated custard, not a frantic breakfast. So we add the hot cream slowly, a gentle introduction, a warm handshake, raising the temperature of the eggs bit by bit. This keeps them calm and collected, and calm eggs create a silky, smooth custard. It's diplomacy in a bowl. We pour this liquid gold into our pre-baked crust, set it in a water bath. A little warm hug for the tart, ensuring the heat is gentle and even. And bake until the edges are set, but the center has a slight confident jiggle, like it's dancing to its own favorite song. A long, cold chill in the fridge is mandatory. It's not a test of patience, it's a scientific requirement. Then, just before serving, we sprinkle a thin, even veil of sugar on top and bring out the torch. Watch as it melts, bubbles, and transforms into a brittle, amber shield. Now take your spoon, crack. Underneath that sweet, glassy top is a cold, impossibly creamy vanilla custard that just melts on your tongue, all grounded by that rich, buttery, almost fudgy chocolate crust. It's a perfect paradox, delicate and decadent, simple and stunning, all on one plate. This is Food Illustrated. Go make some beautiful music in your kitchen, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.